What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So the original Adventure Time series ended some time ago, but the spin-off series is continuing on HBO Max, and the newest episode comes out May 20th, and to help bring in the new episode with my Adventure Time viewers, I'm going to be showing you how to make some bacon pancakes. This recipe is based on the recipe in the official Adventure Time cookbook, but we'll be making it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you're new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here, I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. For the actual pancakes, you'll need a 1/3 pound of plant-based bacon, so I'm just gonna use the whole thing here. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of vegan buttermilk, and I made this by just combining some soy milk and some lemon juice. You'll need 1/2 cup of melted vegan butter. For our egg replacement, you'll need 12 tablespoons of applesauce. I decided to use applesauce for an egg replacement just because apples and bacon made sense to me. You'll need 3 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the walnut butter, you'll need at least 1 cup of walnuts that have been soaked for at least 24 hours, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of vegan butter, a teaspoon and a half of canola oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the maple jelly, you'll need 1 cup of apricot jelly, or in my case preserved because I couldn't find any jelly, 3/4 cup of maple syrup, and 6 tablespoons of cold water. All right, let's make some pancakes. Okay, and here we have our vegan Adventure Time bacon pancakes. These are probably the best looking pancakes I've ever made, just to be honest. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Also, I'll probably make some more recipes out of this cookbook at some point, so why don't you let me know who's your favorite Adventure Time character down in the comments. Also, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much does he look like Jake the dog, huh? I think he looks like Jake the dog. What do you think? Huh? Can you sing a Bacon Pancake song, huh? Can you sing the Bacon Pancake song, huh? Can you?